Hello everyone, welcome to this audiovisual class. Today I am going to finish the topic pronouns in English grammar. So let us see. There will be quick revision. What are pronouns? Related to a story Golu. He all that time used to say, my Mamaji is a policeman, my Mamaji is more dangerous than a Spider-Man, my Mamaji is very strict, my Mamaji has 5 cars. Not too much we can say boasting. My Mamaji is used to punish the culprit, and my Mamaji is looking very energetic, and my Mamaji speaks very bold. So these sentences do not look very nice, and these look very awkward. So one time we can use noun. My Mamaji is a policeman. After that, at the place of noun, we can use pronoun. He is more dangerous than a Spider-Man. He is very strict. He has 5 cars. So now the sentences, these sentences look very nice. He is used to punish the culprit. He is very energetic. He speaks very bold. All these things. Now the definition. Pronouns are the alternatives of nouns, or pronouns are the words used in the place of nouns to make the sentences attractive. Right? Examples. I, we, me, us, our, you, your, he, she, it, they, like that. Types of pronouns. Pronouns are basically 7 types. Personal, possessive means ownership, reflection, himself, herself, demonstrative, this, that, interrogative, who, what, which, indefinite, relative. These are the 7 types. Okay, one by one, today's explanation. Please listen. Personal pronoun. There are 3 persons. First person, second person, third person. First person, I, we, me, us, our, it, point out to ourselves. Second person, you, your, in front of the second person who is standing in front of you. And third person, he, she, it, they. Whoever is not present, and but you are talking about home, those are called third person. Personal pronouns. Pronouns used to refer a person, place or thing are called personal pronoun. How are you? Are they ready for the match? You and they, these are personal pronouns. And you will tell me, you is first person, second person or third person, and they is first person, second person or third person pronoun, right? Okay, next is possessive. Possession means ownership. Like my pencil, my book, your wallet. Possessive pronouns. Pronouns used to refer the ownership. Like with the help of these examples, this is my bag, right? Bag is being pointed out by a word my, right? So this is called possessive adjective. And the bag is mine. This is called possessive pronoun. It's your mistake. Mistake is being pointed out by the word your. The mistake is yours. So here it is possessive pronoun. Pronoun is used in objective case as it is, without any noun. Right? My bag, my is here adjective. Your mistake, your is here adjective. We can say possessive adjective, not pronoun. Okay, next, reflexive pronouns. Reflexive means myself, yourself, herself, ourselves. Pronouns used to refer back to the subjects are called reflexive pronouns. Example, he himself was silent. So, the silence was maintained by himself. You yourself get up early in the morning. You are too genius to get up early in the morning. So, yourself is direct reflection with you. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstration means to point out, to indicate something particular that is special. This, these, when a person or things that is nearby us, we will use this and these. These two are demonstrative nouns. This book, these books. This mango, these mangoes, right? That, those, these are plural. These demonstrative pronouns are used for a person or things. Those are far from us. Examples. This is a bag. And it means bag is near, bag is placed nearby you. These are bags, there are so many bags and it is placed just in front of me. That's why I am using here these. That was a pet dog which I had seen yesterday who lost its way, right? So it means Dog is not present now at a moment and it is far from us. Those were her books lying on the table. So books are not present, the books are not at present in front of me, and books were lying on the table. So in case of any object or things far from us, we will use that or those. And in case if any things or person which is nearby us, we will use these. Right, next is interrogative. Pronouns. Pronouns used for asking questions. What, who, whom, which. Examples. What is your name? What is your interrogative pronoun? Who is standing near the door? Which is your pen? These are interrogative pronouns highlighted by the red ink. Next, whom do you like to invite? Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite means not clear, undefined, not sure. Someone means not a predefined person. Somebody, anything, anybody, something, anyone. Examples. Someone has stolen my money. With indefinite pronouns, we will always use singular form of verbs. Has anyone seen my new books? We can't say have anyone seen because it will be incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is has anyone seen my new book? I cannot play with anybody who is unknown to me, right? And last is relative pronouns. Relative means relationship, who, whom, which, whose, that. Examples. The boy who wears red sweater. The boy who wears red sweater. Who, point out to the boy. Who is related to boy. Is my brother. Priya, whose book you had borrowed, come to take it. Whose book? Whose book means the person who is waiting for, and whose denote book. So this is called relative pronoun. Actually whose, it is pointing Priya, right? Otherwise if I will associate with the book, it will be an adjective. And this is the house that point out the house, that is here to point out the house, is made by Mahavir. Mahavir built. This is the house that Mahavir built. Here should be built. Thank you. Have a nice day.